For this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Gelato Print On Demand. So Gelato Print On Demand is a service that connects you to a global networks of printers, enabling you to produce and ship custom products like t-shirts, posters, and mags directly to your customers. It is perfect for entrepreneurs, artists, and anyone looking to start a business without upfront cost. Let's get started with setting up your Gelato Print On Demand account and creating your first product. So first, just go to Gelato website by using the link that I have in the description down below and click on to the sign up for free button at the top right corner of the page. So just fill in your details such as your name, email address, and password, and you'll receive a verification email. Just click on to the link to verify your account. So once your account is verified, log in and you'll be greeted with the Gelato dashboard. So to start selling, you need to integrate Gelato with your online store, and Gelato supports various platforms like Shopify or Etsy and even WooCommerce. So for this tutorial, we'll use Shopify as an example. So in your Gelato dashboard, just go to the stores, just locate it on the left side bar of your screen and select Shopify from the options. So by the way, you have all of these options. So you have your direct integrations, other integrations, and up to the custom integrations. So again, select Shopify and then click on to the install button right here. So just need to follow the prompts to install the Gelato app on your Shopify store, and once installed, you'll see Gelato as an app in your Shopify. Now that your store is connected, let's create our first product. So in this dashboard, what you need to do is click onto the add product, and then you'll be able to have two options. So you can opt for multiple products or single products, but for this tutorial, I'm going with the single product. And you can choose right here the type of product that you want to create. And for this tutorial, we'll make a custom shirt. So I'm going with the men's clothing and select t-shirts. So now on this page, you'll also have different options for you. And for every product, it has different, or every product has different color variants. So if you want to go with a product that has more variants or versions or colors, you just need to select it just like so. So next, it is time to design your t-shirt. So you can either upload your own design or use Gelato's design tool. And if you want to use your design, you can click on to this section right here, or you can drop your design also on this section. And after selecting your design or uploading your design, you can now resize it into size that you want, or place it into the position that you want. So you can do also, or you can do the same for the back section of the shirt, and you can also do that for the inner neck. If you have a logo that you want to use for your product, you can do that on this section. Now, after creating or after designing your shirt, you'll then need to continue to the mockups. So this is where you'll be able to select the mockup for your product. So you have all of your options right here. So, and if you want to download it, click onto the section right here, and you can even select the format for your downloaded file. And then once you have done that, click onto the continue details. And for this section, this is where you'll be able to edit or see the details of your, or description of your product. So you have here the title, the descriptions, and the additional informations, the size chart. And once you scroll down, you also have this section, the settings section. So you have the product type, the store or the vendor option, and you also have tags if you have that, and also the collections. So once you check all of the informations right here and you're satisfied with it, click continue to prices. So next, you can set the pricing for your product. So Gelato will show you the base cost, and you can add your desired profit margin on this section right here. So you just need to configure your shipping options, and Gelato offers various shipping methods, including standard and express shipping. And again, if you're already satisfied with what you have, click on to the continue button. And once everything is set up, click on to the publish button right here. And if you want to save it as a template, click on to the save as template. When a customer places an order, it will appear in your Gelato dashboard under the orders section right here, and Gelato automatically processes the order, prints the product, and ships it directly to your customer. And you can track the status of each order and provide updates to your customer. So you have here different sections. So you have the pending approval, not connected, on hold, failed draft, passed in production, up to the digitizing. And that's it. You've successfully created and launched your first product with Gelato Print on Demand. So it is a fantastic way to start a business with minimal risk and overhead. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.